Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And I am sharing today, I did some Black Friday shopping. A lot of things I'm filming right now are gifts that things I'm getting for gifts and some of my Black Friday shopping. So I got a big box here this is from Fab Fit Fun. And it doesn't say that anywhere, but anyway, I got a big box full of stuff. I had really fun on the shopping their sale, and I don't always tend to buy a lot from FabFitFun other than my seasonal boxes, but I did get some really fun stuff. So that's what I'm going to share today. So let's just get started and see what we got here. Okay, friends, straighten out here a little bit. First of all, I want to thank you guys for being here. I appreciate your support. You can support my channel by subscribing, hitting the like button, leave me a comment. All those things are appreciated so much. So thank you for that. And let's get into here. So I think they had some buy one, get one, 2 for $4. But the first thing I'm showing here is I'm really into Rodial right now, like really into Rodial. They had this cute little retinol skincare set from Rodial, and so I couldn't resist it. Rodial is kind of a pricey brand, but it's a really great brand. This was $25, and I know it's going to be smaller sizes, but I love this. They have the pumps. I love their bottles. They have the, oh, whoops. There we go. But they have the pumps that you can get some of your serums out. So this is, I can't really read it here. This is overnight gel with pink diamond. Okay, I got some pink diamond stuff from Ipsy, some pink diamond oil from Ipsy that is Rodial. There's also a pink diamond face mask in here. There is the pink diamond. This is the retinol. Let's see, this is the, okay, resurfacing pads. So some resurfacing pads. The last thing in here is, the cleansing balm. So anyway, it's a cute little set. I'm excited about it. And this is just cute. Their pink stuff. This line, this pink diamond line is, you know, I love anything pink, so this is really fun. So that's the first thing I got. The next thing I got, these were 2-fers, and I got some Patrick Ta lip. These are lip, I don't know if they call them lip oil. I should just keep my glasses on because I can't read all this stuff. Major Volume Plumping Gloss Duo. So it's a plumping gloss, and they're kind of a purple and plum color, it looks like. And I'm going to probably be giving these out as gifts. Let me see here. So I'm not sure I want to sample them, but we'll see what they're about here. So this one right here is just kind of a lighter, ooh, I like that. Lighter color, and then this one right here is darker, just a darker berry, whatever. So maybe I'll have to keep one set for myself. So it looks like it goes on kind of sheer. It looks like kind of a sheer with a tint. So anyway, I'm kind of excited to I'll try one and maybe give the other ones out. I don't know. But there is that. So I got 2 sets. Not one, but 2, the Patrick Ta. So that's 4 lip products. I believe this was around maybe 15 or something. Anyway, it was a really good buy. So there's that for all of those. So anyway, and the next thing I have in here, looks like I didn't get a ton of stuff. I just got a few fun items. These were really inexpensive too, and these are just, you know, I love clear boxes, and I like the shape of these. So in fact, I don't know if this is a lid. They have lids to them. Yeah. So it's two boxes, and they have lids, and they're just really good storage boxes. So I got those. So I'm kind of liking that a lot. And Then this, I'm really into the Fenty Beauty, her Fenty perfume. Like, I'm really into it. And they had buy one, get one free. This perfume is over $100, I believe. I can't remember what the retail is, but I ended up getting, okay, wait. So 2 bottles of the perfume and 2, this is the body, I think it's the body, like a body butter. Let me see. I can't remember. I don't have a thing telling me exactly what I got here. So, look at that. Look how pretty that is. These are huge and they're heavy. Okay, so there's a lot of stuff in here. Okay, look. Anyway, I love this. This is so fun. And this smells like the perfume. Okay, this is lovely. You guys, I am so excited about this. This set here was $75, 74, anyway, something, the low 70s. And it was, I got the 2 perfumes and the 2 bottles. So I don't know if anyone else loves, you know, a scent is, sometimes it's hard to give a scent because you don't know who's going to love it or not. But this one is, I got a lot of it now because I just bought this, not knowing I was going to see this somewhere else. I think I just bought this at the Sephora, the VIB sale. But anyway, so there's the perfume. I think it's 1.7 ounce perfume. But anyway, look at that. How fun is this? I'm so excited. So I got, you know, 2 full sets of this. So this could make a nice gift for someone if I know someone that might like it. I have a sister who may like this. I know she's out of her perfume. So I might, anyway, that's an idea. But anyway, so that's it. Those are my items from Fab Fit Fun that I got on the sale. I only shopped at one time. Sometimes with Fab Fit Fun, it's hit or miss. Like sometimes you can find, to me this time I really found some fun deals with the Productreviews. They have the buy, you know, they offer 2 for 1 and I love when they do that. And the Rodile was really fun for me. So anyway, this time it was a win. It was a total win. Sometimes I go into their shop and I'm like, I don't know, I could get that on Amazon, or I could, you know, like you just don't know. You're not always sure about the brands. But these were all brands I love and trust, and they were really, really good deals. So I'm excited to share that. Let me know what you think. What do you think of these items? Do you guys, have you tried the Fenty Beauty, because the Fenty perfume? Because I think it's one you have to, you can't just try or smell once. You have to kind of wear it and know. I had a little purse spray that I had in my purse that was Fenty, because that's how I first got it. I got some purse sprays from, started out at, I think it was ALLURE. And then I liked it, so I bought some more from ALLURE because they had some individual, like they had the same thing, buy 2, get 2 free or whatever. So I did that. So I had these. But anyway, I had one in my purse, and I guess it leaked and into, like, I had it in a little bag with some lotion and a couple other things. And it smelled my purse up. I'm still smelling it. Like, and I'm not even using that purse. I have the bag I've used. But anyway, it smells so good and it lasts forever. So anyway, I just want to give that shout out to, I love Fenty though anyway. So Rihanna, you're doing something right here. But anyway, is it Rihanna? Yeah. Okay. But yeah, so that's it. That's my little Fab Fit Fun haul. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments. So like I said, anyway, this is just great stuff. So this was really fun too. So anyway, I love this product. So anyway, plus the Patrick Ta, we got 2 for, so this was fun. So lots of fun things. Go check out Fab Fit Fun if you want. Some of these items may still be on there. I know they're still, a lot of people are extending their sales, so there's still good sales going on right now. So anyway, that's it. So let me know what you think in the comments. And I appreciate your support so much. Thank you. And I will see you all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.